And then when he was done, he would open up a door on the bottom of the cone at the bottom of the machine, pour the seeds into 50-pound bags, and zip them up with one of those little machines that makes the string into the top of the bag to seal up the bag. Now, that place is gone, like so many other memorable places of small agriculture these days, and my options are to go either to a place like Tractor Supply and buy a premix, or to the local agricultural chemical place and again buy a bag that I don't know is how old and is kind of a standard mix, and the experience is nothing like it used to be, unfortunately. After this pass, I'll have a third unmowed, a third mowed, and a third unmowed over there, so I can start going around this way instead of in the middle.